Welcome back. Thank you for watching CNN News 18. Now, let's talk about how the BJP has released new poster ahead of Delhi Assembly elections. The poster reads, "Aapda ko nahi sahenge, hata ke rahenge." So this is the poster that has been released by the BJP ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, where they have said, "Aapda ko nahi sahenge, hata ke rahenge." All right, so we are in fact learning that there was in fact a series of attacks that was made by Prime Minister Modi yesterday, where he has now named Aam Aadmi Party as Aapda, saying that Delhi is in fact facing numerous disaster when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party government. I'm now joined by Akash Sharma on this broadcast. Akash, posters versus posters, and yesterday only BJP has released a poster, the RP Singh released a poster, and today once again new poster has come ahead of the Delhi Assembly election by the BJP.
Exactly, and especially after the rally by Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday and ahead of the rally that is scheduled for tomorrow, that is Parivartan rally. You know, Bharatiya Janata Party this round is attacking Aam Aadmi Party and their governance and are calling it a disaster for the national capital. This time around, this poster is, clearly saying, "Aapda ko nahi sahenge, badal ke rahenge." We have India Gate in the backdrop, and we have one person who looks similar to Arvind Kejriwal. So this is the kind of poster war that is going on. We have seen that how Aam Aadmi Party has also come up with several sort of posters for the national capital, where they attacked BJP President Viren Sachdev, that how he is not contesting and he is running away from the elections. This time around, this is going to be interesting, Sharon, given the fact that not just Aam Aadmi Party and BJP, we have Congress in the game this time around. We have several senior leaders of the Congress party contesting. Given that Sandeep Dixit is fighting from New Delhi. Yesterday we saw that how Alka Lamba is in fact has been fielded from Kalkaji constituency. So this time around it is going to be very, very interesting. Yes, Aam Aadmi Party and BJP are involved in this poster war, and this new poster is somewhere talking about the kind of slogan that was yesterday said by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
But, Akash, a very valid criticism that is coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party, that the Delhi president of BJP itself is not contesting. What is really the statement that is coming in from the BJP Delhi chief?
Initially there was a buzz that he may contest from Vishwas Nagar or Krishna Nagar or Patparganj against Manish Sisodia, but then we saw that Aam Aadmi Party fielded Mr. Ojha from Patparganj, and the seat for Manish Sisodia was changed. Subsequently, we asked the question to Viren Sachdev as to if he is contesting or not, but then he said that he has got the bigger responsibility, where he has the responsibility to make the government here in the national capital, where he is fighting on not just one seat, and he is not interested in just one seat, but he is interested in all 70 seats. Somewhere clearly indicating that he is not going to contest. This can be, something that party High Command, wants from him, but this time around he has made it very clear. Yes, Aam Aadmi Party is attacking Bharatiya Janata Party on that, but definitely this will have no impact on Bharatiya Janata Party, because this time around they seem, focused, and they are saying that they have got all the party process on which they'll be working.
Also, Akash, when we talk about the series of attack that has come from the Prime Minister yesterday, where he has in fact termed Aam Aadmi Party as the Aapda, we have seen that Aam Aadmi Party also reacted to it. But what is really the mood on ground? What are you gauging when it comes to the Delhi election? What is really in the mind of the voters?
Sharon, frankly speaking, it is too early to predict, because this time around, while political parties have given out their lists for the candidates, and in fact they are attacking each other. On ground, people are not concerned about the elections as of now. It is also because Election Commission has not announced the dates this time around. Further, as far as on ground condition is concerned, so definitely BJP leaders are somewhere taking this corruption issue to people here in the national capital, and one class of voter is somewhere convinced with the kind of attacks that they have been making, but then we have the other class that is believing in the kind of work that have been done by the Aam Aadmi Party government. They are quite convinced with the fact that people in Delhi are getting free electricity up to 200 units. So they are also getting water. Yes, there is a problem in some areas, but then some areas are also receiving this water and electricity benefit. So, we have a mixed feeling as far as ground condition is concerned. But after the announcement of elections only, we'll have a clear image and clear picture as to, what people of Delhi are thinking of as far as political parties in the national capital are concerned.
All right. Thank you, Akash, for getting us all those details as far as this poster war that has now erupted between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. We have seen how a series of posters have been released by the BJP, be it Chunavi Hindutva or be it Scam 2024 by the Aam Aadmi Party. And now we are seeing another poster that has been released by the BJP over the remark made by the Prime Minister.